All right, good morning, you guys. It is February 20th. It is Thursday. We ended up taking longs today. I could not catch this move down, but that's all right. Basically, I was not able to get on the charts until like the macro opened at 750. I was hoping my dad was something, so that's why we weren't able. I'm sure we could have catch it. We swept liquidity with this candle right here. Came back, hit equilibrium, and I'm sure we could have caught these shorts down to sell side liquidity, but it is what it is. We ended up taking a winning trade, so we ended up sweeping these lows all the way. Where are they? All the way down here. And after we swept, we came up, inversing this fair value gap right here. And then coming back down, retracing into this fair value gap and hitting equilibrium. We are in a daily fair value gap right now too. That's why I wanted to take longs. So we're at a daily fair value gap. We got a terrible entry because I wasn't sure. Because we reacted pretty nice to this bearish fair value gap, 5-minute fair value gap. We reacted pretty nice. That's what caused us to come down. But in my opinion, I'm pretty sure this is true. This daily fair value gap is gonna be way stronger than a 5-minute gap. So I knew when we came down, tapped EQ. I waited for this candle to close, and then I entered on a bad spot on this candle. And then for 3 minutes we were caught in just this little up and down shit. But then yeah, we ended up taking off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We were in this trade for like 8 minutes, but we kind of tapped ourselves, or I don't know what I'm saying. Sorry guys, but it shot up and ran. It was a quick trade. This was the only little bit of resistance we had, but as you can see, it wicked up, so wasn't even bad. But yeah, no, great trade for my mental. I am going to be looking to possibly find a mentor starting next week. But yeah, no, because I've got the strategy down. I love my strategy. I know how to use it. I'm confident with my strategy. It's more of just the mental aspect of when to trade, not to trade. I know, like, I'm pretty decent on knowing when not to trade, but also dealing with losses and stuff like that when I'm down. I just need someone to talk to. But yeah, no, we made $420. This puts us up on the week. It cancels out all our losses from this week, so great day. Yeah, probably not gonna be trading tomorrow. We'll see what happens, but most likely not trading. If I do trade, I will be de-risking a lot of money, or de-risking a lot. But yeah, no, great day. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Yeah.